Hello, my name is Ana Yasmin Castellanos Torres. I am 37 years old. I am from Chiquinquirá. I live in Chiquinquirá with my husband and my son. I am a nurse. I worked in the hospital 10 years ago. My hobbies are reading, working with my family, play, movies, watch TV. I love the sales. I am studying psychology in the UNAD. My favorite food is the hamburgers and fish. My favorite TV show is Tubos Stereo. My favorite sport, basketball. My day begins at 6 in the morning. I take a shower. I dress and I have a breakfast. I go to work at 7. When I haven't worked semantics, I could have had the log in the hospital. I come back to my house at 7. I go to visit two parents. When I am in my house, I study for the university or pick up my son at school. At night, I like watch TV or talk with my husband. I go to sleep at 11. Thank you.